To forecast the EveryDollar debt snowball, start by gathering all your debt information, including balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. Next, list your debts from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rate, as the debt snowball method prioritizes paying off smaller debts first. Begin by making the minimum payment on all debts except the smallest one, which you will pay off as aggressively as possible. Once the smallest debt is paid off, use the money to attack the next smallest debt, and so on. To forecast this process, calculate how much you can realistically allocate each month towards debt repayment. Then, use a debt repayment calculator or create a spreadsheet to track your progress and visualize how long it will take to pay off each debt. Consider factors like interest rates, fees, and any potential changes in income or expenses that may impact your debt repayment plan. It is also essential to review and adjust your budget regularly to ensure you are on track to meet your debt repayment goals. By following these steps and staying committed to your plan, you can effectively forecast and achieve the EveryDollar debt snowball method, becoming debt-free over time. Remember to stay disciplined, patient, and informed throughout the process to achieve the best results.